the gist of the story is that at the moment in a folder called source drivers, we have actually created a new folder called network new. From the HP website we have downloaded all the drivers for the network cards, because that's what we're having, that problem that we're having, and we've copied it onto a stick, and then what we're going to do is we're going to bring it onto the this folder and then go through the process of adding the drivers on the WDS image. I'll go through that in a minute. So here we've copied all the drivers that we can find into the folder called Internet Gigabit. Okay, so we're going to try to add the driver packages again and see what happens. So basically we go into roles, Windows deployment, servers, anti-server, that's the one, and the drivers. Okay, here we're going to go add driver package. Yep, and then we're going to go to the locations, select the driver packages from a folder. So we're going to browse, we're going to computer, we're going to go to the E drive, and we know it's in the source folder, and it's network new, Intel Gigabyte. Okay, we do next is found all the drivers that I think is going to be capable of adding. Do next, it's going to add all these drivers hopefully to this 820 form factor. So we put them in there. Now the next thing to do is to go to the boot image, click on the boot, and we've got to set add driver packages to image. Yeah, let's do next, search for packages. We've got all these packages. We say next, and hopefully it should add all those packages in. Search for packages and add them in. And then when we come to boot the machine, it should hopefully find the network drivers. Pause. The domain is, oh, it's my domain, isn't it? Okay, so we've got that school. Yep, that's the one that we want to load on to this machine. And where do you want to install this? Well, I want to install it on this partition here, don't I? If I say next, okay. Well, guess what? It's working. There we go. We'll just leave that to run, and that should have the Windows installation on that machine pretty soon. Okay, I'm going to cut this and see what happens with that. Good. After putting all the necessary parameters in there for the new installation, like the date, the time, agreeing to the service and the country and the zone and the keyboard, it continues and is preparing your desktop with all the icons and all the software loaded onto the computer. Pause. What we're going to try to do is we're going to try to build an image on a 64-bit. As you can see here, what we've got is a 32-bit operating system, so we're going to build our image on a 64-bit. Now basically we've done the WDS off the server here, and as you can see all the applications that we use in the environment are all loaded on together with Office, and all the drivers and everything has been loaded on correctly, so that's fine for us. We're actually quite happy with all that.